If you came in short this morning, this is how you feel. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update. And if you were short coming in this morning, we got the classic rip your face off, short squeeze, run them up as far as I can. And I'm recording this at about 3:15. The markets are soaring higher. You're seeing a major short squeeze and a major dead cat bounce. Again, as we said yesterday, that's why we didn't want to sell into the hole yesterday. This is the rally that we would be looking to sell into. I think right now what's happening is everybody is anticipating Amazon and Google's earnings that are coming out after the close. You're seeing a major rally that is possibly may recover all of yesterday's losses in the indexes across the board. This is kind of what we described. Again, I did not describe a rally that would be this monstrous, but it's not a surprise. This is what you see in markets that do exactly this. They have these major swings. This rally looks so good. You've got every expert and every pundit telling you how good this rally is and how you got to get in and you got to get in now. In fact, I heard somebody say that tomorrow could erase the gains from the last 3 weeks if the GDP number is any good. And again, I would beg to differ with that. And of course, you know what my opinion is here. But again, this has been a straight up market move. We're just pushing, as we're taping right now, where every index is right on or near its high. Again, it could continue. I wouldn't be surprised to see it continue today. I think the key things to watch here are the bonds are not down as far as you would think they might be based on the rally. I think the VIX is certainly not down as much as you would think because of this big rally. I think there's a lot of things to look at here. And again, this looks like a panic rally. We always talk about the puke bottoms. This looks to be a possible puke top. I can't imagine what the numbers can be after the close today until Amazon, Google, and the others that would possibly make this rally continue. It certainly could. We are going to look, but we will be looking either after the close to sell futures, depending on what the earnings look like, or certainly in the morning. But you've seen a major turnaround with some big moves from Visa, from Microsoft, and others that reported yesterday. But again, I look at this as more of a short squeeze, push-up rally. Nothing has changed from the downtrend that we started. So this to me looks like a bounce out of that. And of course, we're not going to tell you to sell and get short right here, but I see a lot of things that would concern me. The dollar is still rallying, which is we expected. The bonds have not gone down far enough as we expected. The VIX is not down far enough. So there's a lot of things that are happening here that could really create some action. I think interesting enough is in gold, although gold is either flat or a little lower, a little higher right now, the gold mining stocks are getting clobbered today. There's something underneath that picture. You're seeing oil was lower, turned around, had a rally. That's something to take a look at. The grain markets were just absolutely obliterated today. A lot of damage done. Now we'll have to see tomorrow. I think the biggest concern would be in wheat, which is one of our biggest long positions. You know, it did break down. We expected a big move, as we said all along. Unfortunately, we thought the big move would be to the upside. So we're going to have to reevaluate tomorrow once we get reopened and take a look at these positions. The meats were lower today. So basically, it looked like a huge short covering squeeze and money being pulled out of commodities, put into the equity market as people had to meet margin calls for all the shorts they had. That's what I would look at it as. Again, it doesn't mean you're drawing in to sell now. Now we've got to find a good level to take a shot to the short side here once we can see that this blow off to the upside fades away. In the meantime, Bitcoin was pretty much neutral once again, or the cryptos were neutral once again. Not much going on here. It's a scary moment when you're short into this rally. And of course, the fear of missing out is feeding the fuel of pushing this higher. But remember, when everybody is starting to upgrade everything right now, you're hearing a lot of upgrades of things that were just downgraded. It's the same thing as a coach getting a reassurance from the owner saying your job is safe. Everything is safe now. And of course, if you go back to my man, the marathon man, Sir Lawrence Olivier and Dustin Hoffman, is it safe? Is it safe? I think not. Well, check it out. We'll be back over the weekend with Bubba's Bottom Line. If something big happens overnight, we'll send out a special update tomorrow. In the meantime, if you didn't get our hedging webinar, the recording, and you'd like to get it, We have our new class starting on Tuesday. I will be happy to email it to you. Just email me at bubba@bubbatrading.com. And of course, if you'd like to help with our high school program, you can go to Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba Trading. That's patreon.com/Bubba Trading. And of course, it's football tonight, football in America. Again, not a great game. We'll take the Miami Dolphins plus the 7.5 for just a pizza and maybe a beer. In the meantime, watch the earnings after the close. We'll see how it plays out. Have a great day, everybody. Thanks so much. We'll see you over the weekend with Bubba's Bottom Line. That'll do it for today. Bubba's Daily Update. Todd Bubba Horowitz. We'll see you later, everybody.